Retail investors are selling, and they're selling at a time when fear is at a fresh low, or technically a fresh high. The fear and greed index is at a low, which means that fear is at a high right now. And analysts, whales, institutions are loading up. And they're loading up saying that the bull run is just getting started. And you know what? I don't know if I believe in the retail investor who's panic selling, but I may believe in the institutions who are buying as these prices are dropping. We're going to be talking about it in this video. And hey, if you believe the Bitcoin bull run is just getting started, Bitcoin bull is just getting started as well. Let's talk about it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, we got Bitcoin Bull on the screen right now. And if at any time during this video you do find yourself interested in buying, make sure you use that link down in the description below. It's going to pull up this website right here. From there, in one day, in 18 hours, the price is going to rise. Or, of course, if it reaches $2.5 million first, the price will rise then. Current price, 0.237 cents, and it's a very easy process. You scan the QR code, connect your wallet, determine how much you want to buy, and then approve the transaction. We're going to go over a little bit more about what Bitcoin Bull is in a second here, but first let's set the stage with what analysts are expecting for Bitcoin. It goes on to say that Bitcoin's bull run is going to continue thanks to big money institutions. Yes, the only ones that are logically buying as there's blood in the streets or red or fear in the markets. That's according to a report from global investment firm Bernstein, which said on Monday that investors should be prepared for a further rally in the asset and equities related to it. These analysts right here wrote that the bull run was ignited by the prospect of later approval of the Bitcoin exchange traded funds in the U.S. and then pushed on by the election of crypto-friendly President Donald Trump. More is to come, they said, as institutional cash continues to flow into the space. The confluence of adoption by banks, institutional investors, corporates, and eventually sovereigns, directly or via sovereign funds, is positioning Bitcoin as the clear challenger to gold. The report said the price of Bitcoin has hit new highs since the new Bitcoin ETF started trading just a year ago. And following the election of the president in November, the asset broke the long-anticipated $100,000 mark. Now, CoinGecko shows that it's now trading for 96, and if I'm looking at it right now, it's trading for 94,800. Gains of over 86% over the last year. Now, Bernstein analysts added that Abu Dhabi's sovereign wealth fund is buying Bitcoin via the ETFs was bullish for the asset. And last week, a filing with the SEC showed that whatever investment company this is, which manages investments for the Arab government, has spent $436 million buying shares of BlackRock Spot Bitcoin ETF. Guys, let me ask you a question. Do you think some of the richest governments in the world, the richest institutions, the richest whales in the world are going out there and they're going to buy an asset that they will just let fail? No. If anything, they're scaring you out of it because they know the early adopters of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency are retail investors. They know it's the little guy that went out there and mined Bitcoin way back in the day that owns a lot of it. And if they can scare the retail investor out with a 10, 20, 30% decline in Bitcoin or meme coins, they get to buy it. And if they buy it on a discount over the next 5, 10, 20, 50, 100, institutions never die. So they can hold it as long as they possibly want. And the gains will roll in. And they are expecting massive gains in Bitcoin. And if we see massive gains in Bitcoin, we're going to see massive gains in Bitcoin Bull. Bitcoin Bull rewards holders for every milestone that Bitcoin reaches. 100,000, the Bitcoin presale has begun, or the Bitcoin Bull presale has begun. 125, token burns. 150, Bitcoin airdrop. 175, burns, airdrop. So the better that Bitcoin does, the more users are rewarded for holding Bitcoin Bull. Now, if you guys have any questions about it, there's a frequently asked questions page down at the bottom. Make sure to get those questions answered so that you'll understand what you're getting into before you get into it. I just want to let you know that I have bought in. I'm very excited about it, and I want to know if you guys are excited as well. So let me know down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.